Hello everyone, welcome back for another workout. I have here one dumbbell 25 kg. I will do full body today. If you doesn't have so heavy, please don't use so heavy, use whatever you have. Especially if you are a beginner, don't use something very heavy, use something lighter. As well, if you cannot do with weights, this workout will be suitable even without any weight. I'm doing today like such a thing that if you want to get more heavy, just use it. If not, you can do without it. Okay, let's work. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Knee on the ground. Let's do a quick warm up. Both arms on the ground. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Open up towards the left. 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Left leg in front. 3, 2, 1, and back. Nice. Down dog. Hold 3, 2, 1. Okay, then you sit. A little bit warm up your quads, open your toes towards the side. Just sit comfortable, enjoy. 3, 2, 1, and then stand up. The first thing that we're going to do, I will start with thrusters. Again, I just mentioned if you doesn't have any weight, you can just touch with your arm the ground and up, the ground and up, and you switch. Same thing. We're gonna do 8 on each arm. Nice and simple. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Let me mention one thing. When you're moving your hip, drive it backwards first, and from here squeeze your butt forward and push the dumbbell up. And then back again and up. Make sure your lower back is really straight. Here we go. 8. Let's work. Left arm first. 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That right arm and up. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Right into goblet squats. Here we go. 12. Keep your lower back straight. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Then, for those who have dumbbell in front, we're gonna do push-ups on the dumbbell. 12, arms on the top, plank position. Let's work. 12, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 2 more. Awesome. 12. The fourth one will be hip thrusters, glute thrusters, sorry. We're gonna lie down. We're gonna place the dumbbell on the top and squeeze up, toes forward, and let's work. 12, 2, nice. 3, squeeze. 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, higher. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Awesome. This was round 1. Let's see. I think 3 rounds will be quite enough. Quick, efficient workout. That's why I just told you that all this you can do without any dumbbell. But if you have some weight, that will be even more better. Grab it and let's get started. Don't complain. Just take your time and work. You know, things are not easy. It should not be easy. The most important is be consistent. Keep working. Here we go. Round 2. Let's do thrusters, 8 on each arm. Let's work. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right arm. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Take a deep breath. We moving to squats. Keep your lower back straight, knees strong, dumbbell closer to your chest, and squat. Here we go. Goblet squats are very, very useful. Here we go. Up. 12. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Not bad. 12 push-ups. Here we go. Let's work. 12. 2, nice. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Awesome. Up, straight into brace. 12. Let's work. And up. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, high. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Round 2, well done. One more round, not bad. Feeling good? You should not be every day heavy. You should just stay focused better on consistency. Day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year, and then this way you'll grow stronger, healthier, and you can live longer, happier life. Take a deep breath. Then exhale. One more. Exhale. Here we go, round 3. Nice and smooth. Stay strong, please. Don't complain, keep working. Grab, let's work. 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. And then we're gonna switch. Right arm same. 8. Breathe. Let's work. 6, 7, 8. Nice. Whew. Not bad. Whew. Breathe a little bit. Exhale. Let's squat. Get ready. Up. 12. 2, nice. 6, 8, 10, 12. Nice. Whew. Feeling good, feeling good. Let's work. We should be consistent, pushing ourselves daily. Everything should be deserved. Here we go, 12. Let's work. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right away into bridge. Up. And 2, nice. 3, squeeze your butt. 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Nice, nice. Awesome. Done with this. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's do quick mobility. Open your legs towards the side. Sumo squat, but not so low. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, drop your head backward. Feel your hamstrings, arm in front. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Then flex your legs straight. Open your arms towards the side. Fall forward and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you bend towards your right leg. Grab it if you can. Feel the stretch in the back and hamstring. 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Then you bend the right knee on the ground. Left leg straight back. Sit down. Fall forward and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're up. Same thing. Up. Bend your left on the ground. Right straight. Fall forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Down dog. Try to keep your legs straight, arms closer. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. That's it, my friends. Quick workout. Enjoy. Take care of yourself. Take care of your body. Wish you all the best. Peace.